इंग्लिश सीखनी है और जो ज़्यादा दूर भी ना हो और रेंज में भी हो, और मुझे फराटेदार इंग्लिश बोलनी आ जाए।
इतनी सी बात। वेबस्टॉक है ना, बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर लर्निंग इंग्लिश। वेट, लेट मी शो यू, आई टेल यू। See, Webstock is not an institute. Webstock is a family. The atmosphere that one needs for learning the new skills and for learning the skills that you are looking for, Webstock will exactly provide you that. The amount of hard work that the teachers put in here is really commendable. We all know that no one is perfect. Everyone has flaws. But the thing is, whether we have the dare or we take up the challenge to overcome that flaws or not. If we take up the stats and we look at the stats, fear of public speaking, or which we better known as glossophobia, it is believed to affect 75% of the population. Isn't that a huge number? Isn't that a thing to worry? You just see 3/4 of the population can't even speak in front of public. That seems horrible. Webstock will help you overcoming that fear. You wanna be one of those 75% people who can't even speak in public or wanna speak freely in front of public. Webstock will help you in that. It will help you in overcoming the fear of public speaking. We'll do that work for you. In Webstock, you all must be having a question that why am I speaking so much about Webstock? Why only Webstock? Can't any other institute teach me English? Yes, definitely. Any institute can teach you English, but not with the environment or the atmosphere which is perfect for learning. In Webstock, different sessions and classes will be organized for you as per your needs and requirements. You will have classes all the 7 days in the week. You will have classes every time, anytime that you need, at multiple slots in the morning and in the evening. Group discussions, grammar writing, monologues, GDs, body language sessions, picture description, video description, and many more. All are just for you. You will also get a chance to give your feedback where you may criticize them for the things which you may not like. So the thing now is that the whole focus here will be laid on you. It will not be like you coming to the institute at the class time or leaving when the class ends. No, it will not just be like that. There will be entertainment for you. Educational tours, parties, sports matches, all will be organized for you to lighten up your mood and to cheer you up. Your classes and your sessions will be taken up by Ruben sir, the best soft skills coach and author, who more than a teacher will be a friend to you. Your teacher who you need that should improve yourself. Here Ruben sir will observe you keenly and will suggest you the areas that you may work upon, that you should work so as to improve yourself. Multiple time slots are here. You can take the classes in the morning as well as in the evening. The time which suits you more, you may come at that time. You also have the opportunity to take the classes online as well as offline, depending upon which suits you more. So what not does this prestigious institute provide you? What not does this institute not giving you? You also have the opportunities, many opportunities that will help you in future. Grab the opportunity. You all must have heard the line, don't wait for the perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect. The opportunity is all yours. You go and get yourself registered in this institute today. The first 10 users will also get a 20% flat discount on this. And remember one thing, Webstock teaches thoughts, not content. Thank you.